Today, I'll show you the top 5 NFT games that can help you make up to $100 per day, and maybe even more. It really just depends on how many NFTs you have. This is MetaUverse, and welcome back to my channel. Wait till the end of the video to learn more about this new online money-making hack. Due to the high number of crypto gaming professionals, I searched the web for the highest paying games. This is up to $100 as the title suggests, and we'll cover both low and high earning games in this video. To maximize your earnings, it's in your best interest to stick around for the final 2 games on the list. You should keep in mind that everything rides on the toss of a coin. Whether you're a free-to-play player, an investor, or a manager, determines how many NFTs you have and how much money you may make with them. When you say manager, what do you mean by that term? Scholarships are available in some of the games on the list, allowing you to simply buy NFTs and give them away to other players. This means you can rent them out and keep 90% of the daily NFT profit. Okay, let's start with Crypto Cars, the first game on our list. Remember that crypto vehicles used to return about $20 daily on a $200 investment. Thus, a $200 investment yielding $20 each day would yield a return in 10 days. In just 10 days, you'll have your initial investment back, plus some. Before their token fully tanked at the beginning of January, that was essentially the situation. Is it possible we've transitioned into a rug pull? In my honest opinion, no. One of the main reasons I rank this game so highly is that its token has increased in value by 100% in the past day. Assuming that everything continues to function normally, current projections do not bode well. Putting it on a logarithmic scale helps us make out some subtle details since the growth is now shown as a percentage. To everyone's amazement, it leaped extremely high off the ground. It's only because the price is high enough right now that I've decided to list it here. If the coin's value increases, it might be a really lucrative investment opportunity. So I'd want to keep an eye on it. NFT Gaming's financial report suggests, however, that until then, or right now, it is not the ideal investment option. Anyhow, I thought I'd let you know about it and show you the graph. In the present moment, it looks like something might happen, but it might possibly not. Pegaxi, a more complex game, comes next at number 2. Moreover, a video dedicated to this game is warranted. I will attempt to cover it as thoroughly as possible in the time we have. In a nutshell, what does Pegaxi entail? Exactly how do you play the game? Just how do you go about playing this? Pegaxi is a play-to-win, player versus player horse racing game. In a race against 11 other competitors, the top 3 finishers each receive a cash prize. By letting players breed, sell, and rent NFTs within the game world, a strong economy is created. This encourages players to spend more time in the game and get more content. It's very much like Axie Infinity, and the main issue with Axie was the same as the problem with most of these games. In order to make a lot of money, you had to attract a lot of other people to join the game, turning it into a pyramid scheme. In order to compete, you must expend NFT energy from your racehorse. This means there are a finite number of opportunities to finish first, second, or third. To give you an idea, at today's prices, one NFT will set you back about $45 every day. If you'd rather rent the NFTs to others than use it for your own amusement, you and your scholar can now divide the proceeds 90-10. It's fine for a scholar to hire the NFTs and expect unfettered access to the courts. One NFT will net the management $30 to $36 per day. while the loaner will make $3 to $4 per day with his 10%. The return on investment, or ROI, ranges from about 37 to 45 days, depending on whether you play for yourself or have a scholar play for you. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thirdly, we have Bomb Crypto. What's more, how lucrative is this game? In what ways can one profit from Bitcoin? What is the amount of initial capital required? Let's check it out. I just found out about NFT Gaming, and he has a fantastic portfolio of titles. At the moment, he has put a total of $168, and he is averaging $3 in daily winnings from this game. So, it's a slam dunk at the current prices after so many price cuts. So the final outcome is subject to the ebb and flow of the market and the coin's value. Bomb Crypto, on the other hand, is a smart contract-powered, play-torn Bomberman clone. 4. Farmer's World. Why do people enjoy crypto and farming games so much? The biggest question is why agricultural games are so profitable. I can't explain it. On the other hand, they do, and their economy is thriving as a result. The Wax NFT platform powers Farmer's World, the first farming game of its kind. Choose the right tools, find different resources, buy lots of land, and have a great time farming in the farmer's world of ecology. Is it therefore free to participate in? Doubtless not. To participate and win, you must first purchase NFTs. How much cash is it now generating? One player, NFT Gaming, claims to make $163 a day from playing this game. He has almost $9,000 in the game and a turn of almost $17,000. What a foolish idea! If I had to guess, I'd say he didn't open with a $9,000 bet. To develop an NFT egg into a chick, which would cost about $15, and to raise the chick to adulthood, which would require several $1,000s in food and other expenses, it is, of course, dependent on the current market price of all cryptocurrencies. But you're right, that does sound like a lot, but one hen will start laying eggs again, which could fetch a decent price at the market. There are other ways to make money, like planting and harvesting crops, or working with cows. And finally, Townstar. It was developed by Gala Games. Let's check it out. Since the game can be played without spending any money, that's where I'll begin. Let's talk about how to make money with this game. Let's discuss the paid option, as that's how money is made, shall we? To earn all 1,000 stars, you must first enter the game, farm, harvest various crops, including sugarcane, and then sell your harvest. The Townstar coin is yours to keep once you reach 1,000 achievements. So, it's a game of agricultural strategy, in which players need trees and farmers to harvest them for further construction. The point of the game is to farm in a strategic manner, meaning that you'll need to give some thought to where you plant seeds and what crops you ultimately want to cultivate. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.